Finally, my good people, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria will be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He don talk concerning the local government election wey happen for inside Rivers State, and our Presido dey call for restraint, and he dey yarn say make men obey the rule of law. And he dey yarn this one after some Jaguda people don go set fire on some council secretariats, and they come pursue the newly sworn in council chairman wey suppose resume work. And all the Jaguda people then get mind then do all those levels because say police be don already withdraw from the local government council secretariat for inside Rivers State. And based on information wey we gather we come find out say the council secretariat wey dey for inside Ikwere, Eleme, Obiakpo and Emoha na the Jaguda people set on fire. Like this now, local government chairman they don resume work peacefully for other local government council secretariat too, and don even swear in legislative assembly members for the various council before this incident will come begin dey happen. No be small violence for inside Rivers State like this o. And just recently now I give you report say the INC wey be Ijaw National Congress they come write give our Presido to make him torchlight the things wey dey happen for inside Rivers State before the matter go come get out of hand. Now our Presido he don drop statement about the matter, and this his statement was released through him special adviser on information and strategy wey be Bayo Onanuga. And for inside this statement, my good people, our Presido come dey express deep concern over the reports of arson and explosions for inside Rivers State. The Presido now come dey urge all parties so make dem reduce the tension and make dem reduce the violence. He come dey emphasize about the need for peaceful resolution. Then he come order the police say make dem sharply maintain peace, law and order for inside Rivers State. Then he come still talk about how important it be for police to dey safeguard public institutions wey dem build with the funds of the public too, make Jaguda people no come go dey scatter am. And still for inside this statement wey our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu drop so about the matter, he come still dey remind all the stakeholders say self-help e no get place for inside democratic system o, especially after 25 years of continuous democracy. According to our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he said the judiciary can only settle all political disputes, and the outcome of this election should not be an exception. Now if you ask me about this matter, my good people, I go tell you say now the political beef wey Oga Siminalayi Fubara and Oga Wike dey get, na why the local government election for inside Rivers State e just full everywhere. Just small local government election wey Oga Siminalayi Fubara conduct for inside Rivers State, you go see violence, you go see controversy, you go see protest for different local government secretariats, especially the ones wey dey newly inaugurate chairmen and officials. They come dey block this men now from performing, from doing their duties. And as this matter dey happen, my good people, many ogbonge men for inside the country, especially politicians, they don dey yarn dey give Oga Wike to make him calm down kwano, make him allow Oga Siminalayi Fubara do him work as a governor for inside Rivers State. But e come back as if men dey waste their breath because Oga Wike dey perform na man wey be say he no dey lis ten to anything wey anybody gats talk for inside the country Nigeria. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, another legit intel e don enter our table. The koko be say the Rivers State governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara, he don express concern over our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu recent remark regarding the violent destruction of local government secretariats for inside Rivers State, particularly the exclusive mention of his name wey be Fubara. And him now wey be the Rivers State governor, in the yarn this one for inside Tori People their channel on Monday. Like this now, my good people, Oga Fubara now he don react to the statement wey our Presido drop addressing the crisis based on say police now they come wash their hand comot from the 23 local government secretariats, and as dem comot hand for the secretariats dem, na why Jaguda people come get mind come go dey set some of the secretariats on fire. Violent clash no be small o. At least 4 council government areas with council premises for inside Eleme, Ikwere, Emoha, all of them na this Jaguda people just put on fire. And no be small gunshot o, they just dey hala kakak boom for inside Emoha East, as political opponents they resist, as in they no want make the newly elected council officials do their duty for inside the local government. Like this now, my good people, the Rivers State governor in dey complain say the way our Presido now take address the matter no be so. the way our president take yarn, e come back as if e no dey actually observe wetin dey sup. E come back as if e no dey observe say there are other forces at work for inside Rivers State. According to how the governor take yarn am, he say the issue is very much simple o. It's as simple as ABC. Everybody for inside the country Nigeria, everybody for inside Rivers State, they know where the issue, they know where the wahala dey come from. This one now no be rocket science, and e no dey hard to figure out. The issue no be with him, no be Fubara. That man good people na how the Rivers State governor take yarn about the matter. And if you notice with the tune, abi with the way him take arrange him word, you go see am say this man now just dey pray for vindication. Him be just want make our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu just hit the nail on the head, but e come back as if our president dey romance the hammer and the nail join. He no wan do the needful. And all this drama wey dey happen for inside Rivers State, all this tension and violence, na just because of the local government elections wey Oga Siminalayi Fubara insist say e must happen for inside Rivers State, despite say the People's Democratic Party and the All Progressive Congress don comot body from the election. And na that development wey come give the Action People's Party the green card for them to emerge, for them to come out victorious for inside 22 out of 23 chairmanship positions, with the Action Alliance wey be AA securing only 1 seat. And Oga Fubara don swear in the new local government chairman since on Sunday, and since that day e don dey face plenty challenges, don dey face plenty attack, as Jaguda people now come go dey set the secretariat on fire. As our president now come observe this level, he come respond late on Monday by sharply directing the police so make dem quickly go dey secure the secretariat, and he come dey urge political leaders and their supporters make dem exercise restraint and make dem respect the rule of law. But however, my good people, Siminalayi Fubara wey be the governor of Rivers State, he no dey happy about how our president take dey handle the matter. He come dey express concern o. He no like the way our president just dey mention him name while him dey leave others wey dey involved in the crisis. And according to how him take yarn, my good people, he say he no get any issues with the intervention of our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, but the thing just dey give am small concern as our president just dey mention only him name, and he consider yarn say it was never his opinion for the police now to wash their hand comot for the local government their matter. Because now as the police now come comot for the local government, na why Jaguda people come go do their Jaguda business. Then he come talk about the need for security forces to remain on duty at the secretariat dem to protect the newly elected officials and ensure law and order. This my good people na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. So if you like this information and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And they come inside again, my good people, with another legit intel wey I go share give all of una. Abeg, no go anywhere.